Hi guys. So it's winter time and we've got our jackets out, and this one is a Kathmandu jacket, and previous years it's been quite fluffy. However, this year it's been washed, maybe incorrectly, and it's flattened down an awful lot. So there's some tricks online and I'm going to test it myself now to get this as fluffy as I can so it can be more insulated and warmer than it has been before. Let's try it now. So what we have to do is we have to zip it up. We get some rubber bands and we put it around the cuffs, or one of the cuffs. We fold the hood, can you see that? In, zip it up. I think we do the bottom as well. So got a bigger rubber band. Okay. Now that's all done, we get our hairdryer, hot pink. Make sure it's on cold. Put it into the arm and turn it on. And now we hit it. I'm actually going to seal the top as well with a rubber band. Okay, on it goes. Okay, final thoughts. It feels more even now, so there's no sort of gaps in between. This arm didn't get a very good workout, but it definitely feels fluffier and more even. So did it work? Yeah, I think it actually did. By Jeebies, I think it actually worked. Thanks, YouTube.